What is a what is a quadratic? Well, a quadratic is an equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c. A, b, and c, a, b, c belongs to the set of real numbers, meaning a, b, and c, or the coefficient of the x squared, x, and the constant are any real numbers. So there are a few ways to solve a quadratic. Most common, the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula states the roots, or the point where the quadratic intersects the x-axis, is given by minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Graphically, when we talk about the roots of a quadratic, we mean the points where the quadratic cuts the x-axis, or the points where the quadratic intersects the x-axis. So notice the x subscript 1, x subscript 2. This case denotes, so we call this case 1, denotes the where the quadratic intersects the x-axis 2 times, or when you use the quadratic formula, you will get 2 solutions. The other case is where the quadratic just barely touches, the x-axis at one point, or it touches the x-axis at one point. So when you use this formula, the quadratic formula, you will get x being equals to the same number for the plus case and the minus case. So you just have one root, or one point where the quadratic touched the x-axis. Call this case 2. The other case is where the quadratic does not touch the x-axis. In that, when you use the quadratic formula, you will get no solution. Meaning, like when you try to enter this into your calculator, you will get error. But in higher level mathematics, there is a solution to this, but we're not dealing with that right now. So we'll call this case 3. Another way we could solve a quadratic is by factorizing, which will be discussed in our next video.